Hey, what's up everybody? This is Zachary. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be discussing my Louis Vuitton haul, aka what I got for my birthday, aka what I bought myself for my birthday. I just started my Louis Vuitton collection a couple of months ago. I started off with two small leather goods, which I'm going to be discussing first. The first one is going to come in, the Louis Vuitton classic orange box. It is the Louis Vuitton key pouch in classic monogram print. I don't use it for my keys per se. I use it to hold my cards, insurance cards. I live here in New York, so my Metro card is also in here. I keep money in here, change. And when you sign up for things, those reward cards, yeah, that's what I keep in here. I got this one from the Louis Vuitton, not the Louis Vuitton store. I got this from Bloomingdale's. They have a Louis Vuitton boutique inside Bloomingdale's here in New York on 3rd Avenue. This item here retails for $205, but in New York, we have taxes. So altogether, it came up to $219.93. I love this item. I don't see myself, I'm kind of getting more into organizing in my bag, so that's why I went with the Louis Vuitton key pouch. The second small leather good I purchased was the 6-ring key holder. And guys, if you see me looking off to the side, I'm looking at my laptop to get the prices actually. Also, I got this in the classic monogram print. As you can see, I already have my keys in here. I keep my Planet Fitness entrance card in there. I have like some gift cards and business cards. I have my barber's card in there. And that's about it. Altogether, this one, it was $250. But here in New York City, we have taxes. So this one came up to around $274. Again, I'm big on organizing in my bag at this point since I'm going back to school. So I need to be a little more organized. So these things, these small leather goods help you keep your bag organized. The third item that I purchased for myself for my birthday, well, actually I was on the waiting list for this. This was the Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch in the number 26. Also, again, in the classic monogram print. I'm planning on doing a lot of traveling this year, so I'm going to be using this for mostly my toiletries, as it says. I mean, I know a lot of women use this as a clutch, but for me, I'm going to be investing in, I don't know if I want the Louis Vuitton Keep All 45 or the Speedy 40. I'm not sure what I'm gonna purchase for traveling, but I know I'm gonna be utilizing this when I travel. I'm gonna be probably taking my colognes. It's pretty spacious in there. I'm gonna be using my colognes, my toothpaste, toothbrush, floss, household items, my shaver, because I got to keep this, lined up. And altogether, this was $445. So here in New York, I paid around almost $504 for this, but I was on the waiting list for a little while for this, but thank God I got it for my birthday, and I actually love it. Yeah. Now, the most expensive item that I purchased was the ever so popular on Instagram Louis Vuitton Archlights. I had two choices. I had between the black and white or the silver and white. I saw Jaden rocking these on Instagram a lot. I seen girls like the Claremont twins rocking these. All the YouTube influencers have them, and people everyone on Instagram. It comes in this huge box, and I guess I'll show you guys which ones I went with. They come in a dust bag like this, 2 separate dust bags. And let me show you which ones I went with. Archlights here, the black and white. These run in women's size, so I got a size 39 in these, which equals a 6. Yeah, because a 40 is a 7. Yeah, so these are 6 in women's, 39. I went with these first. I tried on both pairs actually. I went with these as my choice because I felt like I could pair these with anything. Altogether, and I purchased these at Bloomingdale's Louis Vuitton shoe boutique on the 3rd floor here in New York. Together, the asking price for these were $1,090. Altogether, I paid, one second, I have my receipt here. I paid $1,186.74. Yeah, I know a lot, but I actually really wanted these. I've been eyeing these ever since I seen Jaden Smith wear these on a red carpet, and he's been rocking them. Let me show you the other foot. These are them. And one thing I do love about this sneaker is that it doesn't crease a lot. I mean, you can see a little creasing in them, but not really. And that's what I love most about them. I can't stand when my sneakers crease. But these are the Louis Vuitton Archlights. I'm thinking about going back and getting another pair, but I haven't decided. It's so many sneakers that I want. I want the Prada America Cups. It's just so many sneakers, and that will be on another video, my Christmas wish list. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back again for another video soon, and I hope to see you then. Later.